What's your name and title, please?
No, not gonna get it.
But you're not have to identify yourself.
I don't work for you. Oh, the police have been called?
Yes.
For a camera?
Yes. For doing something illegal, yes.
What's your name and
You're not
title?
going to know anything about me.
You're videotaping people.
Okay,
That's illegal.
that's not illegal.
You're under
I didn't do
arrest.
anything. For what?
You're under
Under arrest for what?
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Today's story was submitted by Julian Chavez, who in early June of 2022 was filming outside the Thurman Adams State Service Center in Delaware, which is home to various social services and public programs. Julian recorded the various pamphlets and signs within the lobby for about 5 minutes when an employee approached him.
What are you videoing for?
I'm just gathering some content for a story.
For what?
For a story.
For a story?
Yes, ma'am.
That's what kind of story?
Oh, it's not published yet, so I don't want to release any details. Once it's published, you'll be
Who
able
do you
to.
work for?
Oh, I'm an independent journalist.
Oh, you are?
What's your name and title, please?
No, not gonna get it.
I'm sorry?
I'm not gonna give it to you.
Well, isn't this a public building?
Yeah, but I'm a,
State funded?
yep,
So aren't you a public employee?
sure am.
So when the public asks you your name and
Not
Title?
when I'm recorded, and I don't want to be recorded. I do not have to give you that information.
okay,
After the brief interaction, Julian continues recording.
very professional.
He records for nearly 20 minutes without an issue, until he is approached again by 2 employees of the facility.
What you doing?
Oh, just gathering some content for a story.
For a story?
Yes, sir.
For a newspaper?
Yes, sir.
What newspaper?
I'm an independent journalist.
You're an independent journalist?
Yes, sir.
What everybody calls security, so
That's fine. Not doing anything wrong.
you can't come into
What's your name and title?
and you can't come into a facility just video
What's your name and title?
without asking.
What's your name and title?
What's my name and title? What is
Yes,
your
sir.
name and title?
I don't answer questions.
Okay.
So neither do we.
Yeah.
You have to. You're a public employee.
Well, you have to too, because you're in my building.
I don't have to tell you who I am.
Okay, well, I need
don't work for you.
I
You
need
work for me.
To leave.
No, that's quite all right. Have a good day.
Julian breaks contact and continues to record throughout the public areas of the building for another 5 minutes and finally exits the building to leave. But at the last minute, he notices one of the employees had been following him, recording him on a cell phone.
What's your name? You know that's public record. I'm gonna get access to that, right? Okay. What's your title?
I'm just a
I'm sorry?
public guy, just like you.
No, you're not. You work here.
I'm just like you.
Do you work here?
Do you work here?
Do you work here?
Do you work here?
So now you're harassing me
Oh, I'm harassing you?
and
No,
being
sir.
a child about it.
Yes.
I got it all on video.
Okay, I understand. I respect that, sir.
DHS operations,
Got
city
it.
of operations. So you do work here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Now I'll go find out who you are.
Are you coming in for services? You have to answer my question.
What's your name and title?
Okay, thank you.
Therefore, I don't have to answer you. I don't know you. Ma'am, quick question. This gentleman right here, what's his name? Robert what? What's his title? What's his title? He's failing to identify to the public.
Is he?
Yes. What's his title? Cause I'm gonna get that video.
You gonna get the video?
He's not supposed to be recording me.
While some law enforcement agencies have policies that require their sworn officers to identify themselves to a member of the public when asked, it is unlikely that DHS shares the same SOPs. It is odd, however, that the woman who refused to identify herself declares that Julian must answer her questions. We don't have to answer to law enforcement officers, so it should be obvious that we wouldn't have to answer the questions of a woman who refuses to say who she is or what her position is.
It's the truth.
You told him why you was here, what you were doing?
I told them I was gathering content for a story. Now they're harassing me, following me around the building. Both of them. He's videoing me for what?
Clarification because this is.
You don't need clarification. I'm a public person. This is a public building. I can enter here if I want to.
Yes, you sure can. You're right.
And
That's
I'm
true.
not doing anything wrong. So why is she harassing me and both of you are failing to identify?
Because you have to have permission to go to certain parts of the building.
I haven't gone in it. Have I gone in any restricted areas? Have y'all seen me go?
Video, I can tell you that. I don't want to be on your video at all.
And,
Oh.
right.
Please keep it away from me.
That's all. You just have to.
I haven't gone into any restricted areas. Have you seen me attempt to go into restricted areas?
Went upstairs.
The elevator? There's probation up there. Is there not?
But you
Juvenile
have to
probation?
go up there.
To go to juvenile probation?
You have to have an escort to go up.
To go upstairs?
Yes, sir.
You should have said that. I would have let you escort me.
We was trying to ask.
No, you when? I have it on video, so when?
Earlier, we asked you who you were. You said you.
I don't answer questions. I don't have to tell you who I am.
Right. So.
Okay.
Well, I'm just letting you know you need to have escort.
But see, when I ask you who you are, since you work for the public, you're supposed to identify.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
That's how that works.
So, but you're not have to identify yourself.
I don't work for you.
True.
You work for me. I'm coming here to get.
Well, we all work for each other, but we all pay taxes, so we all
okay.
stay correct
But-
and agree. I agree 100%, sir.
But I don't have to identify to you.
I can understand. Okay.
You have to identify to me.
That's understand.
That is public access now.
And so your phone's not?
No, I'm a private citizen.
I'm not a private citizen?
No, sir, not when you're in uniform.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So are you gonna identify now?
No, sir.
Okay, ma'am, can you call his supervisor, please?
She's right there. She's right there.
Oh, the other failure to identify.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Cool, no worries.
Please get me off your video, sir.
There's.
Like ignorant as fuck. Yeah, no, he's like rude. Like, maybe if you
It's not against the law to record.
It's against the law to record anybody that don't want to be recorded.
There's a camera right there. You see that camera?
I don't want to be on your video.
Why are you recording me?
Yeah, we don't want to be on your video. It's against the law to record.
You don't get to make that choice. I don't need your permission. You're in public.
Let me just call the police because this is getting out of this is getting out of the way.
Oh, the police have been called?
Yes.
For a camera?
Yes. For doing something illegal. Yes.
What's your name and
You're not
title?
going to know anything about me.
Another public employee who fails to identify.
What's your problem? Like, what's
Everybody fails to identify.
He's coming in here recording without permission. That's illegal.
I don't need permission.
You do.
From who?
Somebody without their permission.
From who?
I can't just go walk.
Who do I need permission
and
from?
Record everybody.
Yes, you can.
No, you can't.
It's perfectly legal.
Okay, well then you can tell it to the state police when they get here.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
I'll
thank
wait.
you. Thank you.
You recorded me. Did you get my permission?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So
Hey,
the same right that gives you the right to record me gives me the right to record you, especially when you're a public employee. The hell? That's cool. I'll wait. Failure to identify number 1, number 2, and number 3 done took off. Rude. Straight rude.
Julian now leaves and waits for the state police to arrive on scene. Field Training Officer Partika is the first to arrive and make contact with Julian.
I didn't hear you.
I can hear you.
I didn't hear you. What was that?
I said, can you
back
what
off
are you
me, sir?
doing?
Can you
What are
back off me,
doing?
sir?
You were asked to leave the premises, were you not?
Okay, and I can refuse.
This is a public place.
Exactly.
That's right, but they're asking you to leave.
You can't do that from a public place.
Yes, you can.
No, you cannot.
The superintendent has asked you to do so.
They can ask all they want. I can refuse. What was your name and badge number?
You can get it.
What was your name?
I know you're videoing it.
What was your
There
name?
it is.
What?
I'm asking you what your name is.
need you to verbalize it, please.
I need you to ask. I'm asking you for your ID.
I don't have ID.
You don't have ID.
No, sir. Excuse me. Whoa! Do not touch me.
You're under
I didn't do
arrest.
anything. For what?
You're under arrest.
Under arrest for what?
Huh?
You-
I just asked you for your identification.
Okay. What law have I broken?
I'm asking you.
What law have I broken?
You've been asked to read.
Call me a supervisor, please.
All right, you call.
Call me a supervisor.
You go ahead, call.
Dude,
ahead.
what are you doing? Why is your hand on your taser?
I'm
Dude, look,
asking
I haven't
you
done
to
anything
show
wrong.
Me your ID.
Okay,
I'm
let's talk
trying
about
to
this.
identify
I haven't done
yourself.
anything wrong.
You haven't?
No,
You've
sir.
been asked to remove yourself from the premises.
Okay,
Have
well,
you
I'll
not?
leave. Are you threatening to arrest me if I don't identify?
I am asking you for your ID. If you don't comply, then I will arrest you
For breaking what law?
because you've been asked to leave.
Okay, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
I am still asking you for your ID.
For
now
what?
I made contact with you. I need to know your name.
You could tell them I'm a citizen leaving.
I need to ask you for your
Sir,
ID.
I haven't done anything wrong, sir.
I am asking
Sir.
you for your ID.
I haven't done
Why
anything
won't you
wrong.
comply with
Because
that
I don't
act?
need to. I haven't broken any laws.
You're videotaping people.
Okay?
That's illegal.
That's not illegal.
It is illegal.
Where? Show me
I'll
the
show
case
you
law.
the-
Show me.
come
Pull
on.
it up.
Come on.
I'm not going over there. I can hear you
Okay,
fine from
well,
here.
Why won't you?
Because
You
I don't
won't
need to.
identify yourself, but I'm identifying who I am.
You're supposed to. You're a
Right?
public servant.
You're right.
Exactly.
And now I'm asking you for
I don't
your
need to
ID.
answer you.
I'm asking
I don't
you for
need to
your
answer
ID.
you, sir. I haven't done anything wrong. Whoa, I haven't done anything wrong. Sir, I haven't done anything wrong. Sir, look, I haven't done anything wrong.
Asking him for his ID, he won't. He
I don't have. Listen, sir.
Here, come here.
He refused.
All right, I'll talk to him.
He had his hand on his taser and everything. I am fearing for my life right now.
Can you come talk to me? Can you come talk to me? Look, I'm just here to try and figure out what's going on.
Dude, look.
I have no idea what's going on. Let me just let him know I'm here.
What's your name and badge number first?
Trooper Evans.
What's your number? What's your badge number?
1986. Okay. I know what it says here, 319. That's just the number of the badge.
Okay.
My IBM number is 1986.
Sir.
Okay.
I just went gathering story for content. I'm an independent journalist. I just came from motor vehicle. State trooper over there was very cordial, very polite.
Okay.
Walked around, got my contact I can show you.
Okay. That's fine.
Walked over here, another state building. I want his name.
Okay.
I want his information. I want that video.
Okay. We are on state property, obviously.
And so I'm not doing anything wrong by filming.
Yeah.
It's First Amendment constitutional protected activity.
Okay.
You can ask,
You go back over there.
who is this
I'll
dude?
figure it out.
Who is him? Ask him his name.
Talk to them.
I need his name.
Okay.
This is a constitutionally protected activity. I am recording whatever I can see in public.
Yeah.
So therefore, they can't ask me to leave. They can't ask me to leave a public building. I haven't done anything wrong. This officer came all hostile. Don't know what they told him, but he approached me all hostile, asked me for my identification. I said, no, I haven't broken any laws. I don't need to identify. So then he tried to grab me. That's assault. Okay? I pulled away from him. I walked away. Then he put his hand on his taser.
Okay.
That put me in fear for my life. I haven't done anything wrong.
Okay. I understand.
So can you go over there and tell them that I haven't done anything wrong so they can leave me alone?
I'm going to talk to everybody, okay?
Because they've been harassing me.
Okay. All right.
And I appreciate you for being cordial. Thank you.
I'm here to just try and work everything out and figure it out, okay? That's why we got a call saying somebody was suspicious. I don't know what's
Suspicious
going on.
activity isn't illegal.
Okay. I understand that, okay? But I just have to come here.
See, there's three. Now I'm in fear for my life. There's three officers here. For what?
Okay.
For a man with a camera?
Okay. He's here with me. He's very cordial. He's very helpful as well. Okay. So that's what we're just trying to figure out, okay? So do you have a name or ID or anything like that?
I don't feel like identifying, sir.
Okay. So
I haven't done anything wrong.
Okay. Now that I'm here, I am allowed to ask that, okay? I'm allowed to ask your name, business abroad, and all that good stuff, okay? In the state of Delaware, we're allowed to ask that. Okay?
If I'm committing a crime.
Try and figure that stuff out.
If I'm committing
That's
a
what
crime.
we're just trying to figure out. Do you have any warrants or anything like that?
No,
Have you
sir.
ever been arrested before? I'm just asking that, okay?
Sir, if I'm committing a crime, I'm required to answer those. But I haven't committed a crime.
Okay, exactly.
If you can state what crime I've committed, I'll gladly give you my ID.
Okay. So that's what we're just trying to figure out of what's going on.
If you can tell me what crime I've committed, I will gladly identify myself.
Okay. All right.
It's not a
So
problem.
We're just going to go like that, okay?
Okay.
So that's fine. Okay.
Thank you.
So I want to get everything worked out for you, okay? And try
Thank
to figure
you.
out what's going on.
And they
then-
cannot trespass me from a public building.
And then I will have you on your way, okay? As long as we figure out what's
Am I
going
being
on.
detained?
So you are at this time are not free to leave because I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
So I'm being detained.
So we're just trying to figure out what's going on.
So I'm being detained.
Yeah, because I don't know who you are or
So
what's
this is
going on.
unlawful detainment.
Okay, all right, that's fine.
I'm just asking.
I gotta ask him everything.
I'm asking.
Officer Partika alleged many things. One of the most ridiculous claims is that it is illegal to film people.
You're videotaping people.
Okay.
That's illegal.
That's not illegal.
Fortunately, Trooper Evans arrives before the senior officer goes hands-on and is able to defuse the situation, and Julian was allowed to leave without identifying. The big question here is, can they ask you to leave because you're filming? We've established that you have the right to record any government business that occurs in areas open to public examination, so the simple answer should be no. However, as we've seen numerous times, they will ask you to leave, they will trespass you, and often, the district courts will convict you. And even though the Third Circuit Court of Appeals has ruled that filming public officials while in the course of their duties is lawful, it is likely that if Julian was arrested and convicted in the lower courts, that the decision would be overturned in appeals. But even when we see that occur, the appeals courts often grant the officers qualified immunity, and all that means is that there's still more work to be done. Julian has filed a complaint and has expressed his intent to file a federal civil rights lawsuit. All this for a camera, all this from state employees. Remember that the First Amendment was written to protect your freedom of speech, religion, assembly, petition, and press from the government. But the government officials in this video were the only ones attempting to stop Julian from filming, all while they filmed him from their CCTV systems and cell phone. The irony is never ending. I've been extremely ill for the past week, and am just finally getting to a point where I can continue the work, so please bear with me as my voice recovers. A big thanks to Julian for sending in this video. His channel will be linked in the pinned comment and description down below. If you head over there, please be sure to let him know that I sent you.
As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, LackLuster Limited for criminal psychology content, and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Membership start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.